Hello everyone, today I will guide you how to combine aloe vera and honey to restore weak red Anthurium plants. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. If you have Anthurium plants with wilted leaves, don't throw them away. Take advantage of their recovery time. It's also cheaper. You'll have beautiful blooming Anthurium plants. I will restore this discarded red Anthurium. First, you need to remove dry, rotten roots and damaged leaves to avoid leaving pathogens. You should remove all poor quality roots so that the plant can grow new roots and not lose nutrients to nourish weak leaves and roots. We can use clean water to wash the plant, helping to remove mold and remaining pests. After cleaning the red taro plant, we dry it for about 45 minutes to help the plant regenerate its body. While drying the red Anthurium, we will make a pot to plant the red Anthurium. I will use a 5-liter plastic bottle, cut in half to make a red Anthurium planter with self-watering function. The tail of the plastic bottle is used to hold water. The head I will connect to an absorbent towel, creating a self-absorbent system providing moisture for the red taro plant. We must punch drainage holes on top to prevent the flowers from getting waterlogged. And now we can plant the red Anthurium once it is dry. To grow red anthurium, I will combine aloe vera and honey. I cut the aloe vera into thin slices and put them in a pot, then add honey and clean water. Aloe vera is rich in nutrients, helps regenerate well, helps plant roots grow faster. Honey helps plants regenerate tissue, fight pests, and produce large, beautiful flowers. With this simple method, we have a pot of red anthurium that is effective, low cost, and no waste. To keep the plant from getting waterlogged and to make it look nicer, I used rocks to plant it. With the harmonious combination of aloe vera and honey, along with the correct planting method, after 45 days, the red anthurium plant grew well and bloomed beautifully. To make red anthurium bloom longer and more beautifully, I mix vitamin B1 with water and spray it on the plant. I used a clean cloth to wipe both the leaves and the red anthurium, removing dirt and mold. Just follow me. You will take advantage of the weak red anthurium plants that are discarded. In just a short time, they will become beautiful red anthurium pots. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.